Hey guys, welcome back to the Not Trend video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss that when you try to send payments on Cash App, you may face a problem that your sponsor blocked this merchant on Cash App. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, it means that your sponsor as the legal guardian of your account, likely a parent or your friends or any other one, has restricted you from making payments to that specific merchant through the Cash App. So the only one way to fix this problem, that contact your sponsor and ask them to unblock the merchant on your account through their Cash App settings. So guys, they can unblock you and that merchant, and you can send payment through them easily. So for more information, or if you have any other query related to this, then guys you may open Cash App, and guys here is the option of support. So you may click here on, in the last is the option of chat. So you may click here and you may contact to Cash App support team and tell them your problem, and they will fix it as soon as possible. So by all these method you can fix it very easily. So this is a video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.